Elloven IKEA Monitor Stand with Drawers. The IKEA elloven is a stylish and functional collection of office accessories designed to enhance organization and workspace efficiency. The elloven range focuses on desk organizers, monitor stands, and other tools that help keep your workspace tidy and ergonomic. Key features of IKEA elloven. 1. Ergonomic design. The collection includes items like monitor stands with storage, designed to elevate your screen to eye level, promoting better posture and reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. 2. Smart storage. Elloven offers desk organizers that help manage clutter, with compartments for items like pens, papers, and cables, keeping everything within reach but neatly arranged. 3. Sleek aesthetic. Elloven products are characterized by a minimalist, modern look, often in neutral colors such as black or white, making them suitable for both home offices and professional environments. 4. Durable and practical. Made with high-quality materials, elloven products are built to last and are practical for daily use, blending durability with convenience. 5. Space efficiency. The compact and thoughtfully designed items help save desk space, allowing you to make the most of smaller workstations. Popular IKEA elloven products. Elloven monitor stand with drawer. This product elevates your monitor while offering a drawer underneath for storage, making it perfect for hiding away cables, notepads, or other small items. Elloven desk organizer. A multi-compartment organizer designed to keep your office essentials, such as pens, paper clips, and documents, neatly sorted. Elloven cable management. Solutions that help keep cords and cables neatly organized and out of sight. In summary, the IKEA elloven series is ideal for anyone looking to create a clean, organized, and ergonomic workspace with a modern, professional look.